Okay guys, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to go to relayx.io, scroll down, and if you're on Android, click the Google Play. If you're on iPhone, click the App Store. Click the first link there to go ahead and get Test Flight. It's a really small application. You get that, approve it, and download it. And then once you get that up, you can go ahead and open Test Flight, give it some permissions, accept the terms and conditions. I went ahead and told it not to send me notifications. Then you go back to that original website. You click the second link to join the beta. That'll send you to the RelayX app. Go ahead and download that. Also pretty small. And you can open that up. Gives you a little intro. Once you make it through that, you just go ahead and select a handle. And once you're through with that, your wallet is technically created. It's just that simple. But go ahead and click on secure your account, and then that'll give you a 12-word backup phrase. Make sure you write this down somewhere. That's how you recover your money in case anything happens. It's the last important thing you need to know. Once you finish that step, you're able to go on to Twetch and use that Relay wallet, as well as many other applications that are compatible with Relay. Thanks for watching.